Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it, やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは運命でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello, 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 hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Welcome to my bakery. Welcome to my bakery. So, we keep working on the game. We're working on the game, and I mean there is a lot that we need to do. A real lot of stuff that we need to do. So we're probably going to work, and the game is coming up very nice. I mean, very, very nice. I mean, we're making some nice progress, and let me show you. Let me show you which point we are. Probably I need to get this here, and probably right. That should bite. This should do, right? Yeah. I mean, we're working on a lot of things, and the game is coming on very, very nicely. So at the moment, I'm working on a series of images and also on the talent tree. So I think I'll keep working on the talent tree. No, okay. I think the Ember Core is very good. And don't worry about the walls also them to connect. That's not an issue for now. So I think the Ember Core idea is probably what I really like it. I really like. Yeah. So point is, okay, we go with the Ember Core idea, and what I think we need to build now, is as we have a prototype that is for positioning sprites, I think I need a prototype in which I can visually edit the skill tree. Then puts node in there. You know what I mean? Then puts node in there visually. So and I mean I imagine nodes to be I mean we can make them circles. I mean, I guess since it's everything is circles, but I want them to have images into them. You know what I mean? I want to have images into them that they show something, or maybe we could make them I don't know, maybe square? Probably square, I don't know, something like that, or square or circles with images into them, and then you select them and you can activate them, you know. So we probably need the builder pull the tree. And I mean the difference is that let me explain. So if you check the prototype, we have bought a game, and the game is what the user play, and we also have a system that lets me position the sprites and the assets that the viewers see. And that is a developer tool. So what I want to do now is, I think I want a developer tool to let me build the tree. You know what I mean? And the probably as the Ember Core concept. And I think probably should have option that let me branch a node into, you know, maybe several subnodes, so each node wants to go to a different place, right? And probably how should we structure this in circles? Like each circles, maybe, I don't know, maybe we do that the center, that is the oven at the center, that is probably the center of the circle. Then probably we have maybe 6 or 7. Maybe we can start with 6 inner circles for the oven, and then on the 7th circles, I mean we have the radial tree starting out, and then it keeps going out from there. I mean, and then eventually, if we need to expand the oven, we can add circles in the middle, right? And then everything scale down outside, I guess. I mean, it seems like if we want to scale this, it can be complicated. I mean, these are just ideas. Let me know what you think. Hey, products, welcome to the stream. Welcome back to my bakery. I mean, the game is coming out very nice. I mean, look at this. Look at this. We are doing very good progress. We added icons. We added a lot of things. I mean, we added walls, and I think I'm also remaking most of the graphics internal. Cause now that I see it, I think I want more than this. Cause this is very chaotic. And so I mean, I'm really, I mean, seriously, super working, ultra, with a lot of ideas and stuff to do. So yeah, I mean, we are cooking. We are cooking. At the moment, I'm building the talent tree. I guess I'm building the talent tree with Claude, cause I'm a little bit undecided on how I want to have the talent tree. I mean, and I mean, yeah, probably. I mean, could have been, yeah, maybe something like side. We have to see. Probably something like this would be nice, I guess. I guess. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I don't even. That's going to be quite quite a feat, I guess. Yeah, we would see. We will see, we will see. Or maybe we should just split the O run into its own event. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, uh, we have to see this in action, I guess. We have to see this in action. So the room stores the okay, the three same polar coordinates. Okay. Insert a wrinkle in the middle. Okay. The rim is just a bun, but okay. The 8 sectors, okay. Edges are explicit. Oh, okay, 2, 3. Okay. Speaks in the insert and crop it inside. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, also mind that, I mean, as I told, I want an option to branch, but I also want an option to connect. So for instance, I mean, let's say that I have a sub-branch, okay? Then not necessarily how can I say, I want to have an option if I want the next node connected to that one to be adjacent on the circle if there is room, or going deep outside to the next circle. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, he's fucking building this. He's fucking building this, Jesus, already. So let's see in the meanwhile how the image generation is going. I was building some images earlier, and I mean they were nice. They were very nice. Cause I think I want to remake a lot of stuff, and I want a better visual look. So but we're making another new branch. Another new branch. So oh, look at this. That's also very cool, right? I guess. I guess that's very cool. I guess, right? Yeah, probably this, right? I mean, I guess we can use a mix of. Oh, look at the fucking kitchen counter, Jesus. That's fucking lovely, right? This is absurdly lovely, right? I mean, this is absurdly lovely, and they should have no pavement or. Yes, I think I have to stop this branch. I think I have to stop this branch because I want I want them to have no pavement. So let's stop them. Let's stop this. Stop this. Stop this. Then give me the prompt. Then we need to edit the prompt again. We need to edit the prompt, so we need to do a new prompt and paste. Then each item should be put shouldn't have any uh base slash element render. So just make the item as it is, as if it exists in a vacuum. No drop shadow either. And this rule overrides any rule in the current document. Okay, so yeah. I really need to find the perfect way to in the oh Jesus. In the file. Okay, copy this, paste this. Yeah. One more batch. Jesus, it's very annoying. Prompting is a bitch. I'll tell you this. Prompting is a bitch. I mean, getting a good prompt is a real bitch. I mean, it's very complicated to get good prompt. In the meanwhile, this shit is building. Very good. And I guess we can go here into checking our. Well, the game is still here, so I think I can pull out. I can probably pull out the other game things, which is where it is. Oh, that's it. That's the sprite metadata editor. No, I don't want. I want it as a separate tab. Yeah, that should be a separate tab. Yeah, and that's it. Why this is publish? Oh, whatever. So get out. Very good. Very good. I don't want the bar on that. And also window. This comic this start metadata editor. So the editor is here very good. In case we need it. In case we need this. And now we're just waiting for Cloud to finish. Also, Codex. Okay, Codex is still reading the prompt, so probably one of the two. The one who finishes faster. I really need these images things to go on, and also we need the prompt node, right? The prompt node, so we can put the things there, right? I guess so. Yeah, let's wait for the talent tree generator, so we can add the talents there. Right, seems quite good to add the talents and all the other stuff. We just need to wait for Claude to its magic. And if we have the talent tree builder, I mean, I guess we have almost everything we need. We have a talent tree builder. We have an asset placement builder. And then I think the last part of the interface that we need is one for the objects. An inventory management interface or something like that. But I mean, I'm pretty confident that, yeah, and then we can almost, we can go into the game. I mean, work on the assets. I mean, there's so much. I mean, I'm really enjoying these things here. If I can manage to get this game going as I want it, that's probably going to be very gorgeous. So, let's see if Codex has started making it. Okay, now there's still, Codex is still working, so we got to wait. We got to wait. We can talk, or maybe we can eventually make a song. Probably a little bit too early to make a song, but we will eventually decide. Later, I think I can edit this. I can cut this. Bring this here, and then add this. Oh, this here. Razormo, welcome. Welcome. Can Codex make breakfast? Codex can make breakfast, I mean, yes. Choppy can make breakfast, Razormo. In my bakery, everything is possible. In my bakery, everything is possible, but yeah. I mean, we are waiting for Codex to do his fucking magic, and also for Claude. I mean, I'm building the talent tree. I'm building the talent tree maker, so I can make the talent tree and stuff like that. So it's going to be interesting, I guess. Welcome, Razormo, welcome. So and yeah. So by the way, the game is taking a good shape. I mean, it's taking a really good shape. I mean, look at this. But I want to do even more changes. I mean, I think I will change even more the elements, the room, the graphics. I mean, but you see, we now have a menu with icons on the left. I mean, we have an actual room. I mean, it starts to feel a little bit more like a game. Just a little bit more. And yeah, I mean, what do you think? It's still very chaotic, but I think, yeah, right? Yeah. With the walls, yeah, but I want to remake also the objects now, and also probably do an animation and a lot of it. So, and at the same time, I'm working on the talent tree. Oh, I'm working on the talent tree, because we are going to make something like this for the talent tree. So I'm working on two things at a time. Chappy's making images. Chappy's making images, and let me show you which kind of images Chappy's making. Because I think I decided, yeah, something like this. This is something that Chappy's making. So, cause I want this to be a little bit more. Oh, why the screen are turned on the other side? Yeah. Oh, that's very bad. I mean, we probably have to use something different, I guess. But yeah, probably. Probably. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we have to work a little bit on a lot of things here, but yeah, I mean, why the screens are? Well, I mean, I can edit this big for sure. I can absolutely edit few of them if I need to, but yeah, that's not bad. I mean, I guess we can work with it, I guess. And edit them and do some other stuff. I mean, I'm making a lot of things here. So even here, I mean, making really a lot of stuff. I mean, I don't understand why it does the fucking monitors turn it down. But we will eventually fix them, I guess. Probably, maybe. But yeah. I really want to change a lot and make things better, cooler, and etc. So let me see. As Claude, now Claude is probably getting crazy to create this fucking radial thing. Very crazy. And Chop is also working. So later we will use this dead time to make a song. But I mean, at the moment, I still want to chat a little bit and take my time, cause I mean, I just started. I think there's time, so later. And yeah, so yeah, I'm really. I mean, I have so many ideas for the game. You can't even imagine. I mean, I have plenty of them. So many ideas. I mean, so many. Many ideas. Many. So, yeah, you can imagine, right? You can imagine, right? I guess so. I guess you can imagine, right? Yes, I have plenty of them. I have plenty. Really, seriously, plenty of them. Yeah, plenty. And I mean, but it's it takes time. I mean, it takes time. If you want the things properly, it takes time. I mean, I don't know if you ever watch it on YouTube. There's people that say that I made that game with a single prompt. I mean, and that's not true. I mean, that's not true. I mean, you can. I mean, I can tell to make a game with a single prompt, but would be garbage. I mean, you know that it will be absolute garbage. I mean, you really need to go through iterations. You start with a prototype. You see what the prototype needs. First, the things that the prototype needs most, and then you start with that. And then you go in cycles, and you implement it, and you fix it, and you go on in cycles. I mean, it's impossible to have a single prompt to make an engaging game. I mean, it's absolutely impossible. So, but I'm very satisfied. I mean, if I already watch this, if I watch this, I mean this already, I mean I can already see myself playing this. I mean, eventually, it just needs to get a little bit better, but I can absolutely see myself here doing this thing. I mean, playing this, absolutely. I mean, 100%. Yeah, exactly. Any project needs time and careful tuning. Exactly like that. And I mean, I'm also alone. I mean, I'm on this. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I have all your ideas and your support and your feedback. But I mean, in actually making this, I'm alone. I mean, you know what I mean? I mean, I have your brains, I have your support, but I mean, I'm still alone. So yeah. So it's obviously going to take some time, but I mean, I think we have done some decent progress in what has been. I mean, 10 days. Considering that I had a cold, and I also had to work on an art project, and I'm also making the videos for the course on the in the meanwhile. I mean, speaking of which, I need to get back to that. Cause I mean, I had with the cold and the other things. I mean, I slowed down the production on this. In fact, I think I really need to put out a video for the course maybe later today. Thanks Lord, I have something in mind. So, and it's mostly I'm going to speak video because I think it needs an introduction. And so I think I want to put the introduction so that will give no the cold. No, I don't have it anymore. No. No, I mean, I still have some leftover cough, and but I also have asthma. So I mean, I have asthma. I mean, since since the beginning of time. But I mean, so I mean, I don't know even if it's the asthma, the cough for the cold left, or it's the asthma. But yes, I'm fine. I mean, I'm mostly fine. 95% fine. And 120% horny, probably 1000% horny, but that's another matter, right? That's another matter. We don't talk about that, or better, we talk about that, but I mean, it's not that. Oh, Yes, sure. What do you want to do? Hello? Yes. What do you want to do, your clothes? You still ask me for permission for deleting the fucking file. Go for it. Go for it, Claude. So, yeah, anyway, so let's wait. I mean, eventually this thing these things will be ready, right? I mean, I'm a firm believer that eventually this thing will be ready, right? Maybe maybe not. Maybe yes, Claude. How long? Look at this. Oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Okay, so we got this. Give me the full terminal prompt to run it, including the CD to go in the right directory. Oh, I should have used my voice here, but doesn't matter. I mean, I typed it. I was so excited I typed it. Okay, let's see this. We have a talent tree. No, not really a talent tree. A talent tree builder. This is a developer tool. So I need terminal first. I need terminal, and I need a new window in the terminal. So I need to start this. Now let's check this. Let's see this. Let's see. Let me see this. Let me go here. Oh, okay. Okay, so. Okay, let me see. Let me see. So we got this thing here. Right? We got these things. How does this fucking things works? Note. Branch outward. Okay. Oh, I can drag this. Interesting. I can drag this. Okay, nice. What's this thing? Okay, so okay. Okay. Oven ring. Plus oven ring plus minus oven ring. Okay. What's this? What's this thing? So. Oh, this is how much I want the swap, right? Okay, interesting. How many grades I want them? Where do I want them? Okay, how do I delete the node? Oh, delete the node. Okay, delete the node. So I can delete the node here, right? If I want. Delete node. Sure. Load. Label example oven node. Okay. So let me mess with this. What's this game? Okay. So if I want a new node, how do I make a new node? Branch outward. Oh, I can save here. The talent tree. Okay, I can save it. Add. Add a new node. Add. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. So I can make a node here. Oh, very good. And these things are automatically connected. New nodes connect from the selection. No. We will need a talent tree. We will need a talent tree. Trust me. We will absolutely need a talent tree. We will need a talent tree. We will. Why does it keeps disconnected? For some reason. I mean, if I click delete note, I get issue. I get issues here. I get issues. So okay, I select an icon, but if I want to delete it, something is wrong. Okay, yeah, trust me, let's go to... So I'm having some issues when I am trying to delete nodes. How can I say, I mean, but it doesn't delete it. And also, I mean, I should also maybe be able to select a connection and delete the connection, probably, maybe eventually. Or no, or better, if I delete the node, should also delete the I mean, I don't know, but anyway, I mean, I probably deleted this node, so let's do one thing at a time. Please check what's the problem with deleting node, and then we analyze things one at a time. So let's try to fix these things one at a time. These things need to work. These things needs absolutely to work. So, and yeah, trust me, I got this, trust me. Maybe, right? Maybe, yeah, maybe. Maybe. So let's see. Let me see. These things needs to work here. I really want my talent tree working. My talent tree maker working. Yeah, so you think a talent tree is too much? No. Talent tree is everything. I mean, we really need the talent tree. I mean, trust. Talent tree is going to make this fucking shit way more interesting. I mean, I'll tell you that. It's going to make everything way more interesting. But you have to use... This game is all about choices. And you will have to do a lot of choices. Because, I mean, if you don't make choice, what's the fun, right? I mean, if everything is fucking linear and you have no choices, I mean, where's the fun? So no, there will be plenty of choices. So and talent tree is one of them. So really, so but yet it has to work first. It has to work first, the builder, and then the talent tree itself. So we need to where these things make the probably working, I guess, and yeah. So let's start in making it working first. So anyway, we can check maybe in the meanwhile how ChatGPT is making the images. Probably. But this is the latest patch, right? Let me check. Okay. Okay, I guess. I mean, I guess. Okay. Maybe. I mean, I'm not super sure, but I guess. Between all these images there would be something usable, I guess. Maybe. We have to see, right? We need a lot of... we need to see a lot of fields here, but... Yeah. I'm probably going to bake probably thousands of images for the game. That's what's going to happen. I mean, I will probably bake thousands and thousands of images for the game. Of objects and stuff and things and many other things. So these things is still trying to understand what the fuck is wrong with the talent tree. Right? I mean, is that modification? Yes, leave page. Okay. No, I think not yet, right? So you think a talent tree improves unit behavior? Well, talent tree. I mean, talent tree is a way in which you decide what to unlock. So because I mean, because a unit behavior is an unlock, right? Try to think it in a more generalized term. So, a unit behavior is an unlock, something that you didn't have earlier, and the talent tree allows it to be played. It unlocks a new mechanic. It may be a unit behavior, but it may be something completely different. So I make an example of this. So, there is a music branch in the talent tree, and if you go deep enough into the talent tree, you can unlock Stella to be in the game and do stuff in the game. Cause otherwise Stella doesn't come by default. But you have to decide. You have to decide when. Yeah, you have to decide when you want Stella to join. You know what I mean? Cause maybe you decide, well, screw Stella, I want a bikini. I want a bikini first. Fuck Stella, I want a bikini. And you know what I mean? But bikinis are on a completely different branch. And if you want bikinis, I mean, yeah, you have to choose. You can have them both at the same time. I mean, or you pick Stella or you pick bikinis. And or even worse, I mean, annoying cake. You know what I mean? Annoying cake. Maybe you want annoying cake, but annoying cake is far down the road, you know what I mean? So, or maybe, I don't know, but that's the point, right? That's the point. You have to work your way through that and get what you want for your build. No, so I mean, it could be Stella, it could be bikinis, it could be a lot of things, but first all these things need to work. And I'm not sure Claude has even finished it. No, okay. Pandide, what's all in add no quick and existing as an integrated entity stacked on top of it. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, was quietly full of duplicates. Oh, okay, let me see. Now this thing should work. It was creating duplicates. You see, even Cloud Fable on maximum fucking extra thing, it does bullshit. So I want to remove this, for instance, delete. Boom. Oh, now it works. Okay, very good. Point number 2. Icons circles are very small. Probably I want them 33% bigger. Maybe I want them bigger. Sorry. I want them bigger, right? I mean, I probably want them bigger. I want them bigger. Call it bigger as the main oven, right? I mean, let's fix one thing at a time, right? Let's fix one thing at a time. So 3 Luna talent 3. Okay, well, I mean, circle square. Oh, square. I think circle is cuter. And I mean, I want to also to pick the icon. I want the circles bigger. And I don't want example of a node, okay. And that's the name of the node, right? Node 003. Okay. I think merchandise, streaming, games, book, dressing, illustration, music. So, okay, few changes. Man, that censorship is tough to avoid. Yeah, bro, sorry, that's almost sorry for that. Okay, so, okay, a few things. I'll try to tell them together, so hopefully we don't make a mess if we try to change few things at once. Well, first of all, I want the icon a little bit bigger. And probably they all have to be the same size. I mean, or maybe I don't know, but I mean they're very small to see. The circle should be a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? Should be bigger. A little bit bigger. And probably at the moment and I want them to be yeah. I mean I mean I don't know. Yeah, but they're very hard to read. I want the circles to be bigger, okay? And then for each node I should have the option to select two different kind of circles. One big and one a little and one smaller. Probably 50% smaller. And this is a connection node, you know what I mean? This is a connection node. And that's another thing that I want to put. So we have big nodes that will have an image, an icon, and this needs to be bigger, okay? And then we need connection nodes that are smaller, and probably they have only a fill color, and maybe you can pick the fill color, depending on the area in which we are. And maybe no, you know, or yeah, something like that. I mean, maybe pick nine color. I mean, black, white, and the seven rainbow color, or something like that. So we can assign this color to each part of the tree, right? Each sector of the tree. You know what I mean? So that it is easy to also to see which nodes are part of which tree by color, okay? And that's another thing. Then one more thing is that I want that nodes, actually at the moment the nodes the node name is node underscore slag, like 001, 002 or something like that, which is good. But I want that the prefix is the prefix of the particular area. So oven iPhone 001. And then for instance merchandise iPhone 001. So each starting node is 001 and they have the name of that particular branch. So it's easier to keep track of which nodes on which nodes is what. And then also one thing I want to do is I want to add zoom in and zoom out controls in the tree. And I also want a custom icon selector. Cause I want if I want to put an icon, I want it, right? And also, do you remember when you were saying me that circular icons are complicated? But it's very hard to see the current zoom of the current icon. You know what I mean? So probably I want to decide the size of the icon. And if the icon size is bigger than the circle, it gets cropped inside the circle, in a circular way. Because they are very small this way. So making both the circle bigger and a way also to decide the size of the icon, maybe you can have a slider, and also decide the file of the icon, you know what I mean? For now, it's okay that there is the default nine icons, and you should keep them for now. Because I also want to select a default icon for now, but I should also be able to upload my own icon, you know what I mean? Or point which icon it is to maybe a folder of icon. I don't know, but we need a way to fix this, because I'm planning to make custom icons, you know what I mean? And maybe they look inside the folder, in which because I think you made an asset for this, right? I think which is inside asset talent tree or something like that. I think, right? I don't remember, because so yes, assets, game data, talent tree, right? So maybe inside game sprites, because we have a folder for the sprites, which is asset/game sprites. Yeah, maybe they should go there, the icons. Okay, so maybe we have assets, game sprites, slash talent icon or something like that. Then the game goes scan that folder, and then I can select which icon I want from there, or from a drop-down list or from something like that. And then I can still, as I told you, decide which one from a preset. Okay, so before you implement, make me a recap of the things I want, so we can check if everything is okay, and then we can implement them. Jordan, welcome back. Welcome back, Jordan. Hey, yeah, thanks for the useful information. And Ratzelmoon has given up into saying what he wanted to say. So let me check in the meanwhile the prototype while Claude is doing the things here. So if I want to make a new node here, right, for instance, so that I just have to click. Oh, this is beautiful, because I can decide when I want to make it, right? From the selection. So I want to select this, and then I want to make add. Oh, and the connects from here. Oh, beautiful. New node. And I can select the icon. Oh, this is beautiful. This is already very, very beautiful the way it is. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. And then I can drag and drop them away. And, oh, I don't want a new. Oh, did they make two new nodes? So did I? No, it's just one. Oh, very good. Oh, ole. Oh, I can also connect. Oh, but that's beautiful. I can branch, right? I can multi-branch from this. Oh, this is fucking beautiful. Yes, please. Yes, please, Jesus. Yes, please. We can have these things here, right? Yeah. And probably now to the things to add, I think I want a bigger note that I got 2 note giants. Okay, 9 select 2 colors. The area prefixed IDs, zoom control, icon side per nodes with secret crop, custom icon folder, yes, it's good. And also I will remove the name of the node from that, and it should be probably on mouse over, I think. We need to find a way then to show this on mobile, but yeah, let's go with that. Okay. Yes. Implement this for now. Okay. So let's see. And now I can we can start building or baking the node, right? And then we can have it in the game. And oh, beautifulness of beautiness. Jesus. That's going to be so gorgeous. Now that we have fucking talent tree, and we can build the talent tree, And then we can implement the talent tree in the game, right? Oh, while we're at the same time we are making images. Oh, this is so beautiful, right? I mean, yes. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, why not? Oh, a moon. Oh, that's godlike. I like it. I sort of like it, right? I mean, that's some serious bullshit there, right? Seems nice stuff to have inside a room, right? Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A mixer. Oh, no way, no way, no way. Oh, a piano? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, yes, yeah, yes. Oh, a speaker chair? Jesus, that's going to be godlike. I'm very weird violin? Okay, I mean, I guess. With viola. Yeah, this, we need to fix something. I mean, a lot of things, but it's very nice. I mean, we can fix some stuff, but it's good. I mean, it's very good. I mean, we can also make it circular. You know, maybe we can make it circular rather than isometric. Oh, should we make this fucking bullshit circular? I mean, rather than isometric. Oh, that would be insanely good, right? If it was a fucking circle, this isometric circle. Oh, that could be interesting, right? I screenshot later. Okay, absolutely. Yes, yes. Send me later, George. More. Send it later. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But that's going to be beautiful. We could make it this thing circular rather than square. I mean, you know? I mean, the room. Rather than being, I mean, a boring, I mean, squared room, we could make this circular. Oh, it's circular shaped things. I mean, would be nice. Would be very nice. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we start with a normal room, square room, but like it's a tower. Yeah, something like that. Like it's a fucking tower. Exactly. Like a tower. Yeah. Could be. You know, could be a fucking tower too, right? Why not? Why not? Could be a fucking tower. Yeah. Could be like a tower. Right? We can remake this and have it like tower like things. Oh my goodness, making the assets is going to be a fucking pain. Imagine that. Making the assets for that? I mean, a real pain, I guess, right? Probably. Probably is going to be a pain, right? But if we pull it off, oh, it can be very nice, right? All this circular fucking, the fucking tower? Yeah. Yeah, I think I like it. I like it. The bigger as a tower, and you go up and you add fucking floors? Oh, yeah, right? Seems quite a good expansion. And then it goes down also, and you have hidden labs or something like that. I mean, I think I like it. I like the idea. Maybe have it circular. Oh Jesus, we have to redo everything. Not really everything, but a lot of things. We have to redo a lot of things, but could work, right? Could absolutely work. Why not? I mean, why not? Could absolutely work, right? Yeah, it could indeed, right? I mean, it could. Yeah. Or maybe I don't know. I mean, I think Yeah, exactly. You make the floor layers exactly allocable. I mean, we could do this even if it's squared. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be circular. I guess the only advantage to make it circular is that our imaginary. You know what I mean? Like the imaginary of towers. You know what I mean? Like that. I guess it's a good idea. I mean, we will need to remake all the furnitures and the rooms and the things and the layout and the position placement. But I guess it's a good moment to do this right before we even start, right? We change it and we make it Luna Tower. Yeah, right. I mean, there's just plenty of towers in other places. I mean, yeah, we could make it like a tower. I mean, I guess. Should we stop the current batch of things in and explain that any furniture that is. Yeah, probably we could make rounded furnitures so that they are supposed to be into a circular area, and then we remake the grid in a circular way, I guess. Something like that. I mean, it's going to be a pain to position, right? It's going to be a very pain to position, right? I guess. I guess. I guess so. I guess, right? We could try though, I mean. We could try. We remake the room circular. I mean, I expect that can work very good, right? And and we have these circular things. Probably, yeah, could work. I mean, it could absolutely work, right? Yeah. I mean, why not? I mean, we keep. Square is dull, circle means perfection. Yeah, I think it can work, right? I mean, it can work. And we have these circular areas. I mean, you can have the discussion with Psychon. Okay, yeah. In Discord, right? Yeah, remember. So I mean, yeah, it could work. I mean, it could work. It could work. I mean, the problem is it would be a little bit annoying for placement and such. But I mean, should we try to stop the current batch of images and have it in a circular way? I mean, I guess. And we have items in a certain quadrants. I mean, it's going to be slightly annoying, right, to put items around in a circular way, but I guess it could work, right? Let me think. Let me think. We need Claude to work on the circular grid document, and then have oh, you go for water. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. I think it can work. It can work. I think it can work. Maybe let's try this. Let's try this. We temporarily stop the codex, right? I mean, how much usage do we have left? Oh, only 31% left. Jesus. Oh, but we have resets, right? We could use one reset. I guess. If we want, we could use one reset. we can temporarily stop this and work with that thing. I mean, could be an idea, right? Could absolutely be an idea. Let's do one thing at a time. But first of all, let's check the prototype. The talent tree builder. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, very good. So, sectors. Okay, the oven core is white. Okay, very good. And this game is black for instance, right? Okay, a little bit hard to read. Those games also the text became red, black, but okay. Note. Branch out or branch or read. No edges yet, so I can increase the size. Okay, very good. Very good, very good, very good. I can increase the size. Perfect. And I can what? I mean, what? Oh, I can zoom here. Very good. Very good. And I think what's missing is the two sides of the ring, right? I mean, like if I want to make a new here, write new node. Okay, it's missing the... Oh, what's this? That's it. Okay. Major or connector? Oh, okay. Oh, these are connecting node. Oh, okay. Okay, these are connecting node, major or connector. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, okay, this seems to work. So we need to do something. We need to do something, and let's try to build. Let's try to build something different. So I think I probably want to stop the current patch. Yeah, let's do this. So we're working inside the game docs game folder, and at the moment, I mean, there is a grid. There is a grid. Hey, Nekofi, welcome back to my bakery. I'm discussing. So we have now a build tree maker for the game that we are using to build a talent tree. The game at the moment has this shape, but we are about to change a lot of things, and also, so congratulations for Argentina. Okay, yeah, so this is what we're working at the moment. And we were thinking, I mean, if we wanted to make the room circular, probably rather than square. The circular would be cooler, so this is what we were about to do. So we're working inside the docs game folder, and there is a grid file. And at the moment, the grid is squared. And we were thinking, what if we made the grid circular with 9 sectors, or better, one central circle, which would be the oven, and then 8 sectors. I mean, can you write a circular grid document based on the normal grid document, so I can just have a look at it? And And yes, thanks. And then if this document doesn't work, we can delete it and pretend it never happened. Cause I just want to do some tests. So thanks. So let's do some tests with this, right? Let's do some tests with this. And I think I need to stop codecs temporarily. Can I put the can I put the batch on pause? I need usage for another task. So this will go when after you finish these images that the current workers are making. Can you stop making workers and pause the goal? I need usage for another task, and I plan to resume it later. Feel free to delete all unused workers as they finish their current job. And we add this to the conversation. Okay, good. So your all your teams failed. Well, that's soccer. That's soccer for you, right? Only one nation can. That's the rule. So eventually, everyone failed except one, right? That's competition. How competition works. So we're making the circular things. Then we will ask Codex to make a circular room, and then we will ask. We try. I think we need to try this, right? We really need to try this circular thing. Absolutely, we need to. We absolutely need to, right? We absolutely need to, right? We need to try the fucking circle, right? Yeah, I think we do. I think we really do, right? I think we really do, right? Right? It has to be in isometric perspective, right? It has to be an isometric perspective, I guess. Right? But maybe that's the current way to phrase it, right? Probably. first of all, I meant this to be as an isometric perspective though. So I think you made the grid like if you were looking it from the top, right? From a top perspective. I meant an isometric circle grid. Cause I still want the isometric perspective. Does it make sense? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, an isometric, perfect. Thanks, Claude, perfect. Okay, so, let's go to Codex, and let's try to make this, so... We're working inside the docs folder of the repository, and there is a circular grid document inside the docs game folder. And I want you to make a pixel perfect representation of the grid. The circular grid, not the squared grid, the circular grid with Python. And you can make outer borders with a black line and inner division with a gray line in a white background. And be sure also to include the walls. Are also the walls included? Yeah, we're going to make this like a fucking tower, I guess. Okay, perfect. So we make the grid. We make the grid and we remake the whole fucking document that way. And we make the fucking room, circular grids room, I guess. Oh, this is going to be so fucking interesting, right? We make the fucking tower. Oh, that's going to be so good. So good. We change everything. We make it tower. Yeah, we make the furniture circular. That's it. We make the furniture circular. Period. Dang. Dang. Yes, we make circular furnitures. That's why, we remake everything. We remake everything, we make everything circular. So, yeah, I guess. It's going to be a lot of fun, I guess. So, all fucking circular. Yeah, we remake them all. We remake them all. If this thing works, I need to see the grid, cause I don't even have a fucking clue. I'll tell you, Razuma, I don't have a fucking clue on how this thing works. So we're going to see it for ourselves. Cause I need the visualization. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. But that's not exactly what... Yes, shouldn't the wall be circular? And shouldn't the instead of having squares, shouldn't be fucking radial things? I don't understand if the document is wrong or if your interpretation is wrong. Try to explain. Maybe I need to send this to fucking Codex. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this. Show in Finder. Okay, let me save this. Okay. Why did he fucking save this here? Why did they fucking save these things here? Okay, that doesn't matter. Oh, the grid itself is radial. Oh, okay. Okay. What the document describes and what you meant. Okay, let me send this to Fable. 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 Let's go to Fable. Okay, let's go to Fable. Oh, actually, we did this into Fable. Oh, we did this into Fable, not inside. It said. Oh, okay. Okay, so we didn't do this into Codex. We ended up doing this into Fable. Why is this also inside here? Oh, okay. So one moment. Let me explain to Codex. Let me explain to Fable what I want to do. So maybe he will understand. So let me explain what I want to do. So maybe you understand correctly. So point is, with my viewers, we were on stream with my viewers and we were discussing what if instead of being square, the room would be circular. Okay, because I mean we're making the talent tree that is circular, and what if we made the room to be circular in isometric perspective? And the point is that we can then add floors like if it was a tower. You know the Witzer towers or something like that, and we have these circular things, okay? So what I was wondering, and that's why I asked it for the grid, or maybe my design process was completely flawed here, was, I mean, at the moment we have a way to position sprites which is based on square units. But I mean, if you're going to work in circles, I mean, I'm probably going to make furnitures and other stuff that they more or less are circular shapes. I mean, I guess we can still work with a grid basement, a squared, normal isometric grid basement sort of stuff. But point is that, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's going to probably be difficult for placement, and so that's why I came with this circular idea, but maybe you have a better idea. So this is what I want to do. Do you have a better idea on how to implement it? I mean, we're just talking, don't implement anything, okay? So let's see what these things is doing, right? Maybe you can still work with the normal thing, I guess. Maybe? Maybe. There are three that doesn't have much engine grid. Okay, padding footprints by the anchors, the placement language, and the look. Okay, here's what I consider as brutal. Keep the engine square, make the language polar. Keep the engine square and make the language polar. Underneath nothing changes, square standard, all that is because it keeps working, but the human stops being as a ring and slice. Okay. Or drop the grid for pleasantry and use snap slots. Define fixed furniture pad in arranged rings like sockets. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, interesting. He's asking, how to ring layout. No, look, listen, I was thinking, of the viewers to eventually make them place the furnitures eventually, but I don't think we need rotation. I'm not sure rotation is in the current scope of budget and resources I can afford yet. So, I just want the overall look to feel circular. And then I was wondering, since it's still isometric perspective, we still need a way to make the engine function with isometric coordinates. And probably, eventually the user could snap, as you say, object on the, or as maybe, or maybe we can remake the prototype to snap things on a circular thing, you know what I mean. But yeah, that was what I was meaning, That was what I was meaning basically. So your suggestion is to keep everything as it is, and use the same also prototype for positioning spies as it is, and just change the things to square design and to circular design and circular circular walls, and it will work. We don't need to find the cheap solution. We need to find the best solution. So give me again what you think is your best suggestion here. Okay. Let me go to codex here. Can you just make the walls a circular wall that goes on the top 3 quadrants and remove all the everything that is outside the circle, the outer circle. So you make a circular wall that use only the top 3 quadrants, and you completely remove anything that is outside the outer circle. Even the bigger squared walls or the remaining of the grid, and you just keep the central grid and the circular walls. Thanks. Then name it as a separate file. Okay, so back to code. Oh no, let me correct that. Keep the square grid and pencils was my safe option. The real required viewer is placed for the room as the best is not square, the best shampoo snap system and a continuous isometric plane. Okay. Doesn't actually need square tiles to work in isometric, okay. Bring a slot instead of tiles, every slot is just a point, for results not slot plans, no rotation needed. Are that simple? Okay, okay, can you remake the circular grid document? With this implementation that we have. So, I can then ask, or maybe you can do a visualization of it in Python later. But just edit the documents. And also be sure that the walls are also circular. Okay, and maybe the walls should only be for the large top 3 quadrants on the top side. So we leave the 5 quadrants without walls, cause I think it would be weird to see all the walls. So probably just cover for the top 3 quadrants. Or maybe yeah, half of the other 2 quadrants. Maybe it's more visually appealing if they cover half of the other 2 quadrants, like. So basically the top 3 on the top and maybe half and half of the other 2. So it's basically like, we divided the area in 2. From an horizontal axis point of view. I don't know, but I'm just trying to think something that's visual appealing. But anyway, yes, please remake the grid with the new coordinate, with this new concept, okay? And then eventually we will find a way also to remake the placement, the system for placing the spikes, okay? In the prototype. Thanks. So, okay, something like that, right? So, okay, that's more or less it, right? Yeah, probably we need something different, right? Circular. So we need now I want to try to do the batch again. How many users do we have? 81%. Okay. Okay, we have 81% of users. We probably need to use our reset eventually. But I think I'm fine, right? So let's do this and also copy. Paste. Uh-huh. Also, everything needs to be relatively circular or adaptable to a circular environment as the attached file. So rather than having squared borders, we need circular borders, circular shaped arcs, and such. Especially furnitures or objects that are supposed to be placed on walls. They need to be circular corners, not necessarily a full circle, but even 1/4. But not necessarily necessarily a full circle, but needs to be circularly shaped so they adapt to the perspective. So I'm going to have this prompt fixed by Cloud after Cloud finishes. So he's rewriting the document. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, Ratsurmo. Yeah, this will look awesome. And we are going to remake everything. I mean, cause so we will have the fucking room. That will be, and we will build towers. Oh Jesus, that's so fucking cool, right? It's so fucking cool. Yes, I think, and we can have, moon-shaped things and such. I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be very, very nice, right? I mean, very nice. Yeah, it sounds very cool, right? Yeah, it sounds very good. We're going to do it. We're going to do it, right? I mean, oh, you will also redo the Python render so I can see it. Very good. Very good. Very, very good. Very, very. No prototype changes. Perfect. 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 Now we change all the fucking documents and we make them fucking circle. And we also change the sprite replacer. Or maybe we just rename it with a different fucking things. I mean, and we are good, right? I mean, this is going to use a lot of usage, but this is going to use a lot of usage, but well, actually, yeah, probably this is going to drain a lot of Fable usage, but I guess it's worth, right? It has to be worth, cause I mean, yeah, I mean, these have to look fucking cool. I mean, you know what I mean? It has to look fucking cool. There's no other ways around them. There's no other ways around it. It has to be cool. You need to want to play it. I mean, and you have to see it and just go, wow, fuck it. I mean, that's what we need. I mean, that's exactly what we need. Nothing less. I mean, oh, and we also have, oh, nice. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Look at this, and we can snap. Oh, very good. That's it. Very nice. Okay, perfect. Okay, I am going to ask Codex since I will use the chat GPT image 2.0 to make the assets to make them for the grid we just made. Can you fix my prompt so it is crystal clear for Codex to make the assets in the correct perspective? The file I mentioned I will attach is the Python grid you just did. So let's say it fix the prompt. So we can start show this in Finder. Very good. We copy this. And we also same one here into the grid things here. Paste. Very good. Then it will fix the prompt. We will ask Codex to make the new assets. And then we change the prototype and everything else. Geometric lure. Oh, okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, yes. Let me check the prompt. Okay, let's use this into codex. Then also we need to add one more rule, and we need to add one more rule. Overrides. Everything needs to be made. All these all the renders, all the prompts are to be considered as elements of the live bakery. Okay, so this should do, and then we attach the file. And that should do this, right? Okay, very good. So we got this done, and then we go to Fable. Very good. Okay, can you edit? I think we're going with this grid from now on. Can you edit all the documents, relevant documents, and put all the stuff that is not needed anymore in the change log, so that the documents only reflect the current source of truth? And then after that, we need to eventually decide what to do with the prototype for positioning the assets. Okay, thanks. So we change all the documents because we're going with this now. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We probably need to redo a lot of things, but this is going to be godlikely gorgeous. And we're going to add this fucking full circular room tower. You know, I'm thinking I probably need eventually to remake a little bit the starting, the intro probably of the video a little bit. Maybe, or maybe not. Maybe that's fine. Maybe that's fine. Let me see how much. No, I think the start video, I mean, is good, right? It's probably relatively good, right? I mean, could work. Maybe needs to be remade in certain parts. Probably, who knows? Maybe it needs a remake. Who knows? We will see. And that's fine. I mean, it's perfect fine. Yeah, exactly. Well, but I mean, the room of the video seems quite, yeah, but I think, I mean, it's okay. And if I remake it, I will remake it at the very end. I mean, when the game is about to get shipped, or even after us get shipped, so we have fun what we have. I mean, I was just thinking, but I mean, I really like this fucking circular shape, bro. And this is what I was saying about the concept of the loop. Now, you know that I mean, you have an idea. I mean, this is something that my dad also has taught me a lot of time. I mean, cause he's a designer, and cause you know, cause I was always curious, no, how dad makes things, no. And I asked dad and said, but how do you came up with this idea? And I mean, no, and dad say, well, I mean, I never came up with a finished idea. I mean, and dad says I always have a direction, and then after that, I mean, we give it shape as we go. And I mean, I really never understood this at the beginning. I mean, it took me several years to understand what dad really meant. And probably I started to get a grasp when we first started making music, me and my sister. Cause I mean, I remember when we were starting making music, the first music was very ugly, the first song. And then Dad come to us now and then told us, you have to change them slowly. You can't make a perfect song from the beginning. You make something ugly and then slowly, you change it. And that's the same things here. No, so we had this idea of the game, right? And then the more we play and we mess around it, the more things comes, right? By seeing it and watching the ugly prototype. It's like a girl that does makeup. You see her in the early morning and she has all her hair ruffled. She has no fucking makeup. She's in her fucking pajama. Probably she even has some fucking, maybe whatever. And then she start washing her face. And then she start brushing her hairs. And if you enter in the bathroom at that moment, she's still like, okay, I will come back later. I will check on you later, sort of things, you know what I mean? And then she put the foundation. And then she start applying mascara. And then she start, kneading. Putting her hair in shape. And then the perfume and all the things. And then she comes out from the bathroom and said, who the fucking are you? I don't recognize you. Who are you? And that's the same thing. We have basically a girl. We are playing with a girl that just wake up in early morning. And we had to dress her up completely. We are. Yeah, exactly. It's the whole process of reshading or reinventing. Exactly. Is the oven in action, exactly. Oh, these are already making images. Let's see how these things is going on. We may be very for. Let's see. Oh, I still not see any. I still don't see. Oh, okay. Still hasn't made any. Okay. Okay, let's see Cloud instead. Cloud. Oh, is still Cloud also is working because he has to edit all the fucking documents. Cloud has to make all the fucking documents. Right. So we also need the wall now. The circular ones. Right? We need to make the circular ones now. I guess so. Right? We actually make all the circular ones, right? And everything. And reposition all the sprites. We need the sprite first, right? I guess so, right? I guess so. Probably yes, right? So we snap things inside that. I guess that's okay, right? So we snap a thing right inside that. And Pam doesn't even need a fingerprint anymore, we just snap it. Something like that. Probably, right? Yeah, I guess that's how it works now. Cause we snap things on the coordinates there. Right? We need a lot of assets like this. We need plenty of assets. Oh my goodness, that's going to be very exciting. To get these things done. And probably I need, yeah. That's going to be very exciting. And while the assets are made, we can work on other things of the project, right? We remake the asset maker. We check all the rest, right? In the meanwhile, we can still temporarily work with the square things, right? I guess, right? Probably. I'll go grab something to drink. I'll be right back. Yeah, this is going to be interesting, I guess. That's probably going to be very interesting. Right, that's their ad. That's their ad. Oh, look at that. That's Patty Pat my head. Okay, nice. Oh, okay. Aulo, yes. Go Cloud. Sorry, you were waiting for my input here. Let me see if Codexer made something different. Okay, let me see. Oh, we have images already. Oh, yes, look at this. Oh, this is going to be very gorgeous, right? Probably, but these are maybe. Oh, look at this. Maybe these are a little bit too frontal sided, probably. A little bit too frontal sided, right? A little bit too frontal sided, I guess. Some of this stuff is a little bit too frontal sided. Maybe we can try to have it, I don't know, maybe we can try to have it, I don't know. We need to think about this. That's probably going to be a fucking nightmare to build into the grid. I think we need to check this. We need to check this in Photoshop. So we really need to check this in Photoshop because I think we need to stop the batch before the batch goes berserk. Because if we make old pictures and they are wrong, we need to stop them before they are fucked up. So grid, yes. This, okay, then open. Yes. Let's open some of the. I think I just drag them. It's easier if I just drag them, right? We probably just drag them. Also, 100%. Then I need here one Luna. As reference. I probably need one Luna as reference. What are we going to put here? Probably this, right? Just put this. Or whatever it is. Okay, and just give me one Luna's reference, right? Probably here inside. Yeah, probably yeah, something like this. Yeah, that's going to work, right? Yeah, probably this. Very simple. Just as a reference for the sides. Okay, that's very small, but okay, we can make this work. So, how much of this? Probably maybe 30. 30. Oh, this is already. This is already part of the fucking room, right? Something like that. Why not? Right? Seems quite cool, but the point is that this works only for here. Unless, let me think. If you want to rotate this, from here, like in a circular shape, or something like that, right? Could probably work, right? A little bit. Probably we need some sort of distortion here, or perspective. Like, no, not like this. This needs to be. Okay. One moment. Can we rotate this? Remove the background. Let me rotate this and create a fucking rotation here. Yeah, this works very well for the top quadrant, but not for the other quadrants, right? Because that works very well for the top quadrant. So not really much for the other quadrants, right? We probably need to rotate this like a lot, but that's not going to. We probably need to tilt this. Not really, because if we tilt this, if we tilt this, right, if we tilt this, I mean, we're going to, yeah, that's not the case. I mean, that's not exactly the kind of rotation I want. I want an axis rotation, right? Not something like this, so discard. So how are we going to put this? Probably we need to rotate this something like this, right? We rotate this to be here, for instance, right? A little bit, but then what? We can try to distort this, not so much, right? Not so much. Probably. I mean, something like that. I mean, still not. Oh, maybe. Maybe. I mean, cold, right? I mean, cold. But what if you have something on that circular aspect there, right? The problem is that, I mean, if I have an object here, I mean, that's not going to work, right? A lot. So that's probably going to be quite complicated when it's not here, right? I mean, so let's revert this, for instance. I mean, this works very good. Works very good if the object is here, right? But I mean, if the object is here, for instance, I mean, like here, I mean, could work. I mean, you know, it's not that can't work. I mean, it's just a huge block here and stays like this. You know what I mean? It's just a very big block and stays like this here, and all you have here is these things here, and that's all your object for this area probably, right? And maybe you have one other here. I mean, something like that. They are quite big, I guess, or we probably need a bigger grid, maybe. I don't know. I mean, it can work, but we need a way to have them also probably render into other views, right? Right, I mean, cause it seems like we still need something here. Let me see. So this, for instance, is very nice, right? And these things here could go very well here, right? And you know what I mean? Could go very well here. I mean, you know, like this. I mean, the counter with the food. I mean, boom, you have it here. I mean, like the food counter sort of things. Then the Luna behind, right? I mean, with Luna behind, obviously. In this case, and Luna is here, right? I mean, serving fucking cupcakes. I mean, I guess it's interesting, right? I mean, I guess it could work. Maybe this a little bit bigger, probably. Probably just a little bit bigger, right? I mean, not you. You have to be bigger. Probably something like that, right? Something like this. Yeah, why not? I mean, you probably squeeze it a little bit, maybe. Or whatever, I mean. And you have Luna here behind the counter. I mean, could work, I mean, right? I mean, it's not super, doesn't have to be super fucking perfect, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be very hard, this, to position and make, compare it to a squared normal grid, right? I mean, that's going to be very hard, I mean. It's going to be very hard. I mean, so things like this can work very well, right? I mean, or even the chair, for instance. I mean, this chair can go basically wherever you want, right? I mean, or this is also very nice. I mean, this also is very nice, right? Or these two. Yeah, I think we can make these things work. I mean, we probably need to be very picky. And we probably need to draw a lot of things a lot of times, but we can make these things work. I mean, I'm sold on the idea. I'm very sold on the fucking idea where these things work, so we will probably make this work, right? We will absolutely make this work, so we will absolutely make this work, so it's going to be a fucking pain in the ass, but we will make these things work. I mean, you know, there's this thing that says there's a will, there's a way, so okay, so two things flash emerged and the game prototype, placement tool, and room data still implemented at a square grid. Uh, yes, the two files that you find there, they were made by Codex, so it's okay. I really like, we're using your current placement. By the way, the file that you gave me for the that you made in Python is pixel perfect, right? These are the new dimensions, right? Let me check this. Okay. Okay. So yes, now we need to adapt everything else that's not correct. So so I guess you mentioned three things, right? I mean, you said two things flagged as no divergence, but you actually mentioned the three, which is the game prototype, the placement tool, and the room data. Which I guess the room data is the room data made by the placement tool, right? So yes, we need to remake everything to the new coordinates. So I'm thinking we should start with the placement prototype. I mean, and I mean, I think you can leave the old placement prototype there. I mean, cause it can still be, I mean, could still be useful. I don't know. And then maybe you can or build a new one on top of that, or remake a completely new one. Because I mean, the functions that are in that prototype is all the stuff I need. I mean, you know what I mean? A selector for the room, the footprints. I mean, where the object is located, the fact that we will need the coordinates, where Luna is placed, and I mean, so basically, I think all the function that the old prototypes has. I mean, they were all very good, and I still need them all. So the question is, do you think it's better to rebuilding from scratch using that as reference? Or I mean, I don't know, how do you think to proceed? But we need to start from the prototype, of course, because I mean, I need the prototype to to give the new sprites and then eventually change them into the main documents. Okay, we're going to make this. Yeah. We are changing everything, and it would be a fucking tower. I really like the idea, and we can add floors. Yes, and basement floors. Yes, and a lot of other cool stuff. Yes, yes, yes. We will do this. Yes, absolutely. Yes. I think I really like it. It's going to be a mess, but it's going to look way more cooler. I think. Maybe. It's better position than I expected. Maar dat is net dit was zijn coming on swap leaving the copying it on swapping the geometry layer. That's why. Okay. Okay, go for it and make it. Yeah, we got this. We got this. We got this. We're remaking the placement prototype. And great news, right? And we changed the game with the new fucking things, and we're good, right? We're very good. We're good and golden, I guess. We're good and golden, right? I think so. I think I may want just it was more over redesign, so it's more circular based, right? We need to do a small oven redesign, but I guess even the current oven is fine. It's very nice. Why not? Yeah, could be nice. So let's ask Codex instantly. Can you please also make uh, a version of the live bakery oven? It has its own character sheet as the next image of your current batch. Make it in the same. Make it with the same perspective rules and such of your current batch, and eventually slightly adjust its design to fit the rules. Just assign it to the next tree worker and name it oven. And name the file oven. Yeah. Very good. So we get the oven also. Oh, look at this. This is very nice, right? I mean, we probably have a lot of things here to do here. That's very good. I mean, we just need a tool. You know what? I think we can make a tool for rotating these things in with cloud code. You know what I mean? We can make a tool. We can make a tool to rotate these objects in the correct perspective using cloud code. I think it can make a rotation tools that can actually rotate and distort the sprites. Oh, that's probably going to be very good. I think we can make it. We can absolutely make it. And so Codex can mix all the image we fucking want, and we can sort of rotate them across the room. Oh, very good. I think it can work. Sort of a Photoshoppy thing, I mean, just for one purpose, to adapt assets into a circular shaped world. I think it can work. Very good, right? I mean, very good. So You like how everything has Luna vibe? Yes, cause I mean, so let's discuss about this products. So the 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 I have plenty of documents that describe how Luna Universe is made. Plenty of documents. So whenever I ask Codex, I ask Chappie to make images, and I mean Chappie knows which kind of images goes with my style. So it automatically makes them very Luna, cause he has been indoctrinated. You know, so basically Codex was atheist originally. It was atheist, and it has been converted to the Holy Oven religion. I mean, it was a fucking atheist LLM agent, but it was converted. Chappie now truly believes into the Holy Oven. I mean, cause I just told Chappie, I mean, if you don't do what I said, I will throw you in the fucking oven. And then Chappie instantly understood that, I mean, it had to behave very well. I mean, and so I mean, yes, it got converted, and so obviously makes everything was very Luna vibe, because I mean, yeah, it has been going through a very good conversion process. A very good conversion process, I guess. Yeah, right. He has been fucking converted. He has been fucking converted, chat. Yeah, right. I mean, absolutely. So, uh, it has super converted. Oh, I'm still thirsty. I mean, I just took something to drink and thirsty again. I mean, I'm very thirsty. I want some milk now. I'm so excited. I mean, I think the swap to circular things was probably the best things to happen in my life ever. I mean, I'm super happy. I mean, I'm super happy. I mean, seeing these things comes to life and every single day it gets better. I mean, it's like seriously. I mean, I'm so happy and so fucking also proud of me and you all for having all these good ideas. I mean, it's very fulfilling. I mean, it's very fulfilling. I mean, I think that, yeah, I'm very happy. I mean, very happy. I mean, because these things is coming out very good. So, very good. So, let's see what pictures Shop is making. So, oh my goodness, that's beautifully gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, a drawer. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's going to be insanely good. I mean, that's going to be insanely good. Yes. The chair is gorgeous. I mean, seriously? This fucking streaming desk here or whatever. I mean, Jesus. I mean, it's fucking insane, right? I mean, yeah. We're going to make great stuff. I mean, we're really going to make. Oh, look at this! Beautiful. There's even a cat. Oh, the oven! Oh, look at that! The oven. Oh, yes. Yes. We will use this. We will absolutely use this. Then we need probably also to, you know what, we probably need to remake also Luna's pixels art, but, oh, look at the oven. Oh, it's gorgeously made, I mean, beautifully made, I mean. That compass but circular earthquake, but forgot there was still magic there for it's too complicated to be done. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. We're fine. We're fine. I mean, it's a solo dev project. I mean, it doesn't have to be the best things ever. I mean, it has to be fucking work, period. And that's it. I mean, it has to work. It needs to be nice. I mean, it doesn't have to be the best thing that you ever seen. I mean, cause that's impossible. I mean, it will need way more people to make the best thing ever. I mean, and we don't have them. So, I mean, I'm fine with something that's very good. That's good. That's playable. That's nice to play. And I mean, even if it's not perfect. I mean, even if it has limitation. I mean, I'm still very happy with that. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, but I think you have to. I mean, you have to aim to make something very good. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, you also need to understand where to stop. Cause, yeah. I mean, obviously, yeah, sure. Send them to me. Yes. Can we also fix it? I mean, the fact that players can now position their things in the room, right? I mean, absolutely yes. So, absolutely yes. We're good. I mean, we're good. I think next I want to remake the sprites of Luna, and a little bit better with the animation. But I mean, yeah. I mean, we are not good at that. Let's see if let me see if Claude has finished. No, Claude is still down here. He's still making this, so we have to wait a little bit. We have to wait a little bit. Very good. We have to wait. Very good. So we have the talent tree. The talent tree still remains, cause that's good. We have the talent tree. And I also need to start working on making the talents and all the other stuff, but I mean, that's good, right? I mean, that's very good. So, and very good. Very. So, and the more the games grows and do stuff, I mean, boom, the more we would build on top. I mean, it seems very nice, I guess, right? I think so. Probably something that we could do. I mean, is that we can probably. I think I want a better way to visualize the lines that connects these dots. Eventually. I mean, probably. Probably, maybe. Maybe yes, right? I mean, maybe. Or maybe we should have this on gradients. Oh, right. Right. That makes more sense, I guess. Probably. I mean, maybe. Maybe, right? So we can have this. We can have this here. This here. And then it goes. Probably something like that. We need sub-radius division for each node. Alright. I think I understand how I want to make this. Yes. This I think it's yes. Yes, yes, yes. This probably. So okay. And then probably yeah, it connects to seems interesting. Okay. I mean, and this does branch out, probably. I guess. Could be. Yeah, we can then find also funnier way to branch these things out, but it's good for now. It's good. Yes. Think the page. Yes. It's very good. Let me see Claude. How is go? Oh, done. Done. From the repository root. 8778. 8778, which is the current prototype. 8778. Sprite metadata editor. 8778. Oh, it's a different one. 8788. Let me can you give me the full prompt terminal prompt including cd to go to the folder. I need the full fields here. Okay, so we need to work. Also, one more thing. Okay. Also, one more question. What happened to the previous JSON files? I mean, the file made with the previous things. Does the new prototypes automatically loads the previous data? Or the previous data are now incompatible? I mean, let me know what happens to the previous JSON files. I think we need to delete all the previous JSON files. Okay, perfect. No, we are not going back. So I mean, if it overrides it, it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, very good. Let's check the prototypes now. Let's check the new prototypes. So, I need to go to terminal. I need to open the new prototype. And it's server. Okay, here. So we copy the link. We open a new page. Paste. Oh, here it is. That's the new sprite editor. Okay, very good. That's the new sprite editor. So, how does this fucking things even works? How does this fucking things even work? First of all, let's put the oven. Right, let's put the oven. And we need to replace the oven, right? First thing first, we need to replace the oven. So let's go to the oven. That's the old oven, right? This is the old oven. Luna room. And where does this goes? Where is the placement? Right? Fixed placement. Oh, so we place things like this. Okay, very good. Very good. I think I like it. This that we place things like this. That's very good, right? Now the problem is how do I fucking place the fucking oven? Cause that's the only fucking problem of this prototype. That I don't know how to place the fucking oven. So let's go to cloud and okay, I'm checking the prototype, but there is one problem at the moment. I was going to place the oven, but there's no place to place the oven because all the selectable things are outside the oven. So I need a way also to select the oven file and also the position of Luna when she operates the oven. And that's it. Because at the moment there's no way to position the oven. Oh my goodness, I can't copy paste. What's the problem here? I have some. Oh, okay, there's some issues here. There is some several issues. Problem is the fucking file below? Is the fucking grid below? Probably. That this is the problem. Let me see if I can copy paste now. Can I copy paste somewhere or it's just a Fable problem? I can copy paste here in Fable? What's the problem with Fable? Okay, I need to close Fable and reopen it. Issues? Issues? Okay, so issues. We're having issues, so let's go the circular grid document. And this. I can't copy paste this anymore. Are we out of quota? Maybe it's the quota? No, I have quota. I can't copy paste here anymore. Why? A? Oh, finally I can, Jesus. Okay, bugs. Jesus. Bugs. Bugs. I think we're also adding more functions to the layout. We're probably going to add more functions to the layout. Yeah, exactly, I can position it, but not in the center, exactly. So, let's make the new oven sprite. So we can replace the old oven with the new oven, right? So let's go to Photoshop. Let's open the old oven file. Let's open the old oven files. Sprites. I think here inside the. I think we need to. Yeah, probably. I mean, we need a new one, right? I mean, This book for illustration mechanics. These all need to change, I guess. Probably we save these as old files, right? I mean, probably something like that, right? I mean, yeah. Let's open the yeah. This needs. I need to make an archive of the old sprites. I absolutely need an archive of the old sprites, right? Right, so let's make first of all an archive of the old fields. Otherwise, I mean, we're going to have issues. I mean, I don't think I will use the old things anymore, but in case, I mean, just keep an archive. Luna game, sprites, old archive, old archive. So we keep the old archive here. Then we put everything here. Right, I mean, probably yes. Everything goes here. Then we go back to Photoshop. We open the oven. Here. Codecs. Repository. Assets. Game sprites. Object. Oven. And then we open the new oven. We open the new oven, which is probably inside the assets private Luna generated 2026 July 4th. From which patch is isometric white, green isometric patch? Which one is? It's probably green isometric patch, right? Do we have the oven? Perfect. Okay, what's happening to codecs? Is codecs stopping? No, it's still going, it's still working. Very good. Very good. So, we go back to Photoshop. We remove the background. We put this inside we put the oven inside the oven. Oh my goodness, look at which moment we are. We are putting an oven inside the oven. Then this needs to go in cubic automatic. And this probably needs to be what, 25%? Not more, right? More than 25%. Probably something like that, right? Yeah, something like this, right? Yeah, very good. Very good. And that's the new oven. That should have more or less the same things as the previous one. Then we save this. And then we place it. So, okay. So we need to refresh this. We need to go into oven. We load the oven. Oh, here it is. And where it is? Center object on oven platform. Perfectly. And then we fix. Oh, okay. Then we lower this. That's probably the placement, right? Then where's Luna? Down left, sure. Where do you position Luna? I can't see Luna. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. She's here. But she needs to be centered. Oh, okay. Okay, I can't really position Luna here because obviously, I mean, that's not going to work for the oven, right? Again, that's not going to work for the oven again. And now we have the issue that I mean, if I try to change the position of Luna relative to the oven, I can't use one closer on one outer. I mean, or better, one outer works, but one closer doesn't. And so I want to push Luna's circle and move it inside the yellow circle, but I don't have the controls anymore. So, I mean, I think we may need also a nudge control, pixels nudge controls do that. So I can nudge move it. And also one more thing, we probably uh two more things I need we yes, let's start with this. One thing at a time, otherwise it becomes complicated. So we also should add the nudge control for perfect placing, because I really need to put the Luna circles inside the yellow circles. So, and at the moment I can't. So we're fixing. Yeah, the oven has landed for sure. The oven has landed. In the meanwhile, we can work. On. I think we can temporarily save the oven. We can temporarily save the oven, right? We can temporarily save the oven. And then, does this? I hope this got saved. And then we can go with Luna. Luna either I'd animate. Up left. Where it is? No, this one, sure. Actually, no, I want down left. Down right, I guess. What can I oh, actually down right, probably. Down right, right? Yeah, this is what I want. I mean, we can fix it place in center. Very hard to fix it in that thing, right? I mean, yeah, she probably needs to get nudged down a lot. The spans are okay. So we don't need spans anymore, I guess, but we need to nudge her down, right? I guess that's the placement, right? Let's save this temporarily. Let's save this temporarily so I can see it. And let's go back to Claude. Okay, one more thing. Actually, a pair of more things that I want to implement. The first thing is that when I click on Ensemble by Luna, I mean, I should be able to see the Luna on the screen, not only the fingerprint. And I know that the game utilizes the sprites that are being divided and not the GIF. But I mean, it's very hard to use the sprite for fine placement, so I want that it utilizes the gift for placing Luna. And also, I would like to see when I select the room. So if I select the room from the drop-down menu, I want it to automatically load all the other objects in that room. So I know exactly where the objects are and I can move around them and do a better placement. I hope it makes sense. So the first thing is that if an object is been usable by Luna, I mean, on top of the Luna's fingerprint, there should be the animated GIF of Luna, and which animated GIF should be the one decided by the drop-down menu. So bottom right, top left, etc., etc. No, you know, we already have this. And then one other things I want is that if an object is already registered into the Owen's room, into Luna's room, I mean, when I put another object and I select the Luna's room from the drop-down menu, I'm placing another object, it should show me already all the other objects. And also all other Luna's placement as sprite, so I can see them. Does that make sense? So we're fucking remaking everything, I'll tell you that. Oh, we are so remaking everything, yes. Yes, 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 yes. We are so remaking everything, yes. Very, 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 very good, yes. Very good. Perfectly good. I will dare say perfectly good, yes. Let's have this fix. Hopefully can work. Hopefully can work, I don't know, I hope it will, so. I hope it will. So we can better position other objects, right? That sounds delicious. Also, by the way, which other objects are ready? Let me see which other objects are ready. Probably I should check here. Inside, they make a new folder here with the codex. Here, 7. Oh, here it is, right? Oh, here it is. Let's see. Okay, so we have already several objects. Some of them are good, some of them not much, but some of them not really. But oh, look at this. Oh, the piano, Jesus. The piano is very nice. That's also very good. I mean, this is some sort of fucking isometric perspective to it, which we do not really like much, but... Oh, the fucking DJ console is insane. That's going to work very good, I mean. I don't understand what's happening to all these other images. Let me see. What's the last image made? 1055? 1126. Oh, he's still making images. Okay. This is new. Okay. He's probably making and remaking them because he's not satisfied, I guess. Still at the furniture level. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, good. This works now. So we can do this. Let's refresh. We need to refresh this. So if I select the oven here, oh, I saved these things. I saved it. I think I saved the file. What's the problem here? I'm pretty sure I saved the file here. Down right. Whatever. Place the oven down. Place the oven down. This should be usable by Luna. Okay. And then why is not? Because Luna was not saved probably, I guess. So let's move this. We probably need to merge this. We need to merge this here. Probably here, right? Yeah. That's probably when I want Luna, right? Probably something like that. Probably for now we save this. Save it. So let's go for instance to Luna. Animate down right. So if Luna Luna should be down, right? By a lot. Probably something like that, right? I guess. Even a factory would be jelly. Yeah, probably it will, right? It will, right? Save sidecar, save it. So if I click the oven, oh, you see? That's the problem. So I have another problem. When I reselect an object I have already edited, it seems not to load the presets that I've already made. I've saved it twice, both the oven and Luna down right, but for some reasons every time I click on that object, it doesn't show me the current preset. Do you know what's going on here? Yeah, you're jealous of my mass production. Yeah, imagine if I had to commission an artist for this. How much that things would cost me? Jesus. Oh, is the server? Oh, okay. So the server was sanitizing my files. I see. Fuck the server, I guess, right? Well, there is a lot we have here. How much usage do we have here? 20%. We are already at 1/5 of our weekly usage. We're screwed, but doesn't matter. We need these things to work. We really need these things to work, so doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. We need these things to work. We need these things to be good. We need a good game, right? Who are we going to convince to play our game if our game sucks in the first place, right? People who already would dislike the fact that it's fucking made in AI, so. Yes, everything other than perfect goes in the trash, exactly. Everything other than perfect goes in the fucking trash, exactly like this. That's it. Everything other than perfect goes in the trash. Okay. So restart the server. So we have to restart the server. Okay, so Control C. Restart the server. And then we reload this again. We reload this again. And this time should work, right? Oven? Oven? Oh! Okay. 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 Usable by Luna. Okay. Usable by Luna, yes. And for some reason, save sidecar. Okay, but if I go Luna down, right? If I go to Luna down, right? Oh, this wasn't saved. Okay, so if we save this, this should work, right? Maybe. We save it. And what's now if we go to the oven? No, this not working if I go to Luna down, right? It's working, so okay. One more issue. So one more issue. If I select usable by, I mean when, or better not, when an object that is usable by Luna is making the preview with the Luna sprite, the sprite of Luna doesn't consider the JSON file for the placement, so Luna seems off. So for instance, I've only placed it down right to Luna at the moment, but if I select the oven usable by Luna and then I click down right Luna in the submenu, the preview of downright Luna doesn't use the saved JSON file. Can you fix it, please? So if there is a valid JSON file, it writes that as placement for the preview. So yeah, we're fixing the product. I mean, we really need this because we need this to place the files. So these things have to work, obviously, right? I mean, these things have to work. But if we rebuild the prototype for the files, we have the talent tree. We just need the interface for the objects, the inventory. We need to remake the sprites for the file, and that's good. I guess that's very good, right? Then I will ask him to add if he has edited all the relevant document. Okay, it's fixing this. So probably sure. In the meanwhile, let me see if Codex has made new images. Oh, it has. We have some new made in this last few minutes, so. Oh, a cello? Very good. Oh, a boot room for voice recording. That's nice. Speakers. Oh, a music sofa. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. is probably trying to make this hundreds of times, I guess. Right? I mean, very good. I mean, very good. Oh, look at this. Very, very good. I mean, right? I mean, I guess. Oh, that's also gorgeous, I think. If we manage to put it somewhere, right? That's probably going to be gorgeous, but we will see. We will see. So, okay. Uh, but will this make a problem with the animated file or not? Yes, but you have to consider that the animated file is based on the GIF. So I mean, I am positioning the gift so that the position on the gift are related, can be applied later to the animated files. So I mean, that's why I'm asking. Hey, Aurix, yeah, we are making a lot of changes. I mean, I've built a talent tree maker. You should have a look at this. I mean, it's a tool for building a talent tree. So, where it is? So, and we're also changing the room to be a tower. So I'm also rebuilding the room things. And with this, I can build my talent tree. I can decide when I want to put the nodes, and I mean how to link them, and so on. So I mean, I've made a lot of progress. I mean, I built another developer tool, which is the talent tree maker. We changed the room layout to circular and now uses polar coordinates, and I'm remaking the sprites and other stuff. So I mean, yes. We're making a lot of changes. We're making a lot of changes. I mean, a lot. So yeah. It's going to be interesting. I mean, I'm very proud also of the talent tree. I mean, but yeah, there's still a lot to be implemented. I mean, there is still a lot to be implemented. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, the gift to frame was made by a tool you made, and I think there should be track of it into the repository. So I mean, I should just keep using that tool, right? Yeah, talent tree, Oryx, exactly. We have a talent tree, epic. Yeah, I mean, whatever game, I mean, doesn't have a fucking talent tree, right? You want a talent tree, right? So talent tree are cool. Talent tree, I mean, make people mad. I mean, they make people, I mean, really. Oh Jesus, a talent tree. attempt to study the super talent tree. And that's going to be really interesting, right? The talent tree, yeah. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm remaking the assets and other things so that I can now. You'll be surprised at how many. No, yeah, I know people ate part of exit Thailand tree. I know very well. But this won't be part of exit level. It will be way smaller. People should be eventually being able to navigate it. Maybe. Okay, perfect. Okay. So what else? So we need to now make all the other assets, right? Cause we did the oven. We did the oven, and now we need to make. Well, first of all, we can position all the idle animations, right? Cause these are ready. So we can go here. We can go here and we can position the other, right? We can position the other. So this needs to go down. This needs to go down. Probably something like that, right? Yeah, probably. Save. Save it. Then we have item down, right? And that's perfect. Then we have up left. And that needs to go down. Boom, and probably boom, right? Something like this. I think probably, maybe. Save it. And then we have this. Boom, and we go down. Yeah, right. Why not? Seems good to me. Save. So, we have this. So we probably need to start with the. Oh, okay. Streaming video. Let's start with the streaming video thing, right? Probably with the streaming desk, right? I guess so, right? We start with the streaming desk, right? Yeah, probably yes. We start with the streaming desk. Right? Yeah. We start with that. So streaming desk. So we go back to this, right? We go back to this. So streaming. So that was one streaming desk, but I think I want to use this. That's probably the one I want here, right? This is the one we're going to use. That's probably it. So give me Photoshop and give me this also too. That's probably the one we want to use it, right? Yes. And it's probably going to be, it's still a smart object, right? Yes, it's still a smart object, so we can scale this down properly. We can scale this down properly, right? And it should go here, right? Boom, something like that, right? That's what this thing should, right? Something like that. I guess. And these things will probably occupy the whole fucking room, right? Yeah. Yeah, probably. Indeed. But this should probably need some flipping thingy, I guess. But we could probably, rotate it a little bit. this way, just a little bit. Just, just a bit, so that stays more or less like this. Right? They think it's huge, yes, it's huge. It has to be huge, right? I mean, we want it huge, right? We probably want it very huge, right? I mean, we could probably keep it flat. I mean, probably should be better be flat. Something like that, and she stays something like this. I mean, I guess so, right? So we keep it flat. We keep it flat and we position it like this, right? Yeah, that's better, I guess. And Luna, how big are you? Nah. Is this thing small enough? Big enough? How's the situation here? They need to be on top here? Yeah, probably, yeah, right? I mean, yeah. Something like this. Why not? I mean, you probably go here, right? Probably. And work on this from here, right? Yeah, I think the size is good, right? Yeah, the size is good. So, the size is good. So we could do this. We edit this. We remove the background. No, not on Luna. Not on Luna. We remove the background. Yeah. Very good. Perfect. And then we copy it. We make a new file. Actually, we don't need a new file. We need to open this was inside here. Assets, game sprites, object, streaming desk, open this, and we paste this. Oh, but this is still too big. Oh, but it just copied the fucking fix, I see. So no, go back here to this. We need to flatten this. We copy this. We go back here to the streaming desk. We go back to the streaming desk and we place it. Okay, so we can remove the previous one. Oh, that enters perfectly in the previous sprite. So we save it. And we're good, right? So we can go here. We can go to the streaming desk. Oh, perfect, right? Perfect. And then we can post to Luna's room. Very good, right? Goes to Luna's room, and this is... It has a fixed placement. This needs to go down. Probably something like that, right? And this needs to be... Probably, I mean... Like this, right? Yeah, probably one more out. Now one more out, it touches the wall. One more in, right? Something like that. That should be usable by Luna, these things, yeah? And probably down left, right? Sure. And we want this in centered. Probably something like that. But why is not taking the coordinates here? Well, I probably need to save, right? Save the sidecar. Let me reload this. So one moment, let's go to the sidecar. Streaming desk. Load it. Oh, now it has the correct position. Oh, yes. Yes, look at this. Right? I mean, look at these things. Very good, right? Very good. Oh, very good. Yes. We just need some walls. We need to make the other assets. We need the walls. We need to remake the Luna sprites. Then we're good, I guess. And we're good. And we're back on when we were with a fucking huge circular layout. And a talent tree. I mean, yes, right, very yes, very yes. I think we can stop here from now. I mean, we did good, right? I mean, we did very good. I mean, the room layout, let us edit the rooms. Oh, that's very, very good, right? And not to mention now players can position these things themselves. Oh, that's going to be delicious, right? That's going to be fucking delicious. Players can now position this themselves. Oh, we have a new function that wasn't available at the beginning. Player can position this. Oh, that's going to be... Yeah, I mean, I can always remake them. I mean, it's not that I have to accept the first render, Razumo. I mean, that's the first render, but it's not that I have to accept it. And also, I mean, not all the objects need to be into one singular room, you know what I mean? Because we start with some things and then we expand it. We expand it slowly, I mean. And so it's not that we have to, you know what I mean? It's not that we have to everything here, etc., etc. I mean, I expect a lot of very big objects that do a lot of things, and I mean, you have to place them. So, also one thing that I'm very curious is I mean, the span. Oh, right, because this can occupy several span, right? Right, I mean, I guess. So this should probably be right. Because this occupies, oh, this is interesting, right? This is interesting. So this occupies probably, look at this, 2, 3. This occupies 3 things probably, right? Because that's big. Yeah. So players can't just, I mean, swap them whenever they want, right? I mean, makes sense, right? I mean, makes a lot of sense. And this occupies the slots here. And then I can nudge Luna to be inside, right? Like something like that. Yeah, and that's where Luna stand, right? I mean, yes, this still occupies one slot of the other thing, right? So it probably has to go here. I don't understand why it still goes into the out. So you see, we still have some issues here for the placement. We still have some issue here for the placement, I guess. Because there is one dot that goes outside 3 by 7. Okay, so, oh, interesting. So this is something we need to fix. So, okay, let's fix it immediately. So we have one more thing to fix, and the fix is relative to the footprint. So the point is that, I mean, since now, I mean, the closer to the circle, the less the footprints available. I mean, the snapping points available. The new model, when I select the footprint, it should also let me adjust the number of footprints per row, and also let me slide them left clockwise or counterclockwise per row. Because for instance, maybe I have an object that is cone-shaped, so maybe, and it spans 3 rows, so maybe the outer row is 5, the middle row is 4, and the central row is 3. But maybe, you know, also maybe is left aligned. And so, I mean, the 3 on the left, or the 3 on the left are aligned, and it has a different shape. So, I mean, I need more control for the footprint. I really need more control for the footprint. Can you add these additional controls? By the way, hey Dima, I'm about to close the stream. Welcome, but I really need to go now. I was about to close the stream because I only have 3 minutes. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use these 3 minutes to say goodbye to everyone because I have to eat lunch. It's lunch time for me, Dima. I'm very glad and happy that you came, but I was about to end the stream. I was really about to end the stream, so, yeah, products, Dima, Razormo, and everyone else, thank you very much for watching. And see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay? And thank you very much. Thank you very much. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。またね。バイバイ。See you.